If you want your WordPress store to look more professional and perform better, this video is for you. In less than 5 minutes, I'll show you how to customize your FluentCart store using the WordPress Gutenberg editor. Whether you want to personalize your full product page layout, highlight a single product, or even add a custom checkout page, you'll find a solution for everything right here. All right, let's do it. Here we are on a blank page. If you simply tap on the plus icon, the list of all available Gutenberg blocks will appear. Type FluentCart, and instantly every FluentCart block shows up. Let's start with products. Drag it in, and all the products from your store appear instantly. All right, let's make this look amazing. You can easily tweak the paginator to choose how many products you want per page for smooth scrolling. Then comes the product grid that offers even more flexibility. Decide how you want to showcase the product, choose a pricing format, make your mind how many products you want to show per row. Next up, the filter. Let's toggle it on and take a look. So here you can get to enable the search and content, wildcard filter, and live filters with a tap. In case you want to change product categories and brand display names, you can do that in seconds. Besides, you can even customize the price range. And then there's the default product filter, which is perfect for deciding what your customers see first. You can adjust what your customers see, like featuring a brand or a category. The call is yours. If you're picky about your colors matching your brand vibe, it's also at your fingertips. Here you can see that the Apply Filter button is black right now. Let's change it to match your color palette. It's that easy. Just like this one, you can customize any part of the Gutenberg block to make things perfect for your store. Let's save the changes and see how it looks at the front end. All set and ready to sell. You know, it's super important to let your customers know if a product is in stock or not. So let's fix that. I'll just add a stock tag. Easy as that. And now customers know exactly what's available. Now let's talk about some amazing use cases. Maybe you've got a best-selling product that deserves the spotlight, or you want to promote a newly introduced product for your online store. That's exactly what FluentCart's product card helps you do. Simply add the block, change the query type to custom, and select your product from your store. Right away, the product has appeared in the box. Here, you can also choose the pricing format, and if you want, you can even play with the cart sizing. When it's good to go, save and publish, and your product is live on the page. In case you want to be more direct and showcase the product with all the variations at the upfront, don't worry. All you need to add is a product info block and handpick the product you want to show. Instantly, you'll see all the product details are fetched and presented right before you. Here, you can individually personalize each part of the product details. If you're all about keeping things clean and straight to the point, you'll love this. The By Section block shows only the purchase options. Just like the previous one, here you can select the product. And this time, your customers can see the variation and easily move to the checkout. And speaking of checkout, FluentCart gives you a block just for that. You can add a checkout block anywhere. It could be on your product page, a landing page, or even your home page, so your customers can buy instantly. It's a quick way to make the buying process smoother for your customers. And finally, let's talk about the customer dashboard. Though you can create a dedicated page for your customers, you can do that using blocks as well. Just add the block and you're ready to customize. Think of your need and then personalize exactly the way you want, and you're ready to go. And that's a wrap. From custom product pages to showcasing bestseller to personalized custom dashboards, Gutenberg blocks and FluentCart let you do it all. This is everything you need to manage your WordPress store smartly, and even more exciting features are on the way. So why wait? If you've been dreaming of launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FluentCart and start building today.